Well, you guys ever visited the Queenmary or the ship that's next to it, which is the Red Scorpion, which I try to do a video but I can't because it's closed. But what people don't know, there's a treasure behind it too. This artwork, this on containers. As you see here, there's a bunch of them too. I don't know who painted these, but I really admire the work. And that's something that a lot of folks don't even realize that's out here next to the Queenmary, as you can see right there. And the Red Scorpion right there, sitting next to the Queenmary. I'm not going into the Queenmary right now. I promised my girlfriend that I was gonna try to go with her and do a video of our own selves, you know, in the Queenmary at nighttime and try to see what we catch. But this artwork just caught my attention so badly. Yeah. Sticky fingers all the way down there. More artistical work. Beautiful. This has to be the containers or something used for the Halloween times when they're making the whole maze here in the Queenmary. They make that haunted maze, and I'm assuming that this has to do a lot with it. That's why we have all these trucks out here. Good paint job. Container or containment. Here's what it says. Get that right there. Boom. And this station now, either they're gonna keep them right here, or it's just temporary until they get rid of them. But I hope they can stay here. Okay, more people, you know, give me some good picture shots, and why not, you know, zombie. There we go. Kind of going around the circle. All that good artwork. If you're down the area and you like artwork like this, you like taking pictures and stuff, well, I think this is for you. I just taking the advantage right now to do that, and you know, admire their work. I don't know if the other side of the container has more artwork, but sure, definitely won't hurt to come and see this. Well, that one looks. That one reminds me of Undead. I think it's called Undead from the Red Dead Redemption. They actually have two sets of game. Well, I have that one, the regular Red Dead Redemption 1 and the Red Dead Redemption version of zombies and stuff. If you ever play that cowboy game, I recommend you too. It's really cool. Besides the second part, but they have the Undead. It's all about zombies and stuff, and yeah, they kind of reminded me of it. Well, there's the other piece. So yeah, they put that piece and that other one, the head over there, the green one with the zombie girl, on top of this one. I see what they do. So this is all like stacked. See, yeah, it makes sense now. Same colors. I didn't pay attention to now, sadly. But there's the artwork, and gotta admire that. In and out, I'll be making my other video from Red Scorpion over there, the submarine next to the Queenmary. Well, to my surprise, next to the Queenmary Park, there seems to be a tunnel. I don't know what it's used for, or for the maintenance people or something like that, but got some curiosity, so I want to go ahead and take it home. Well, I'll be down. There's another piece of art. There's more on the other side too. See? In the back. Nice.